Okay, I want to discuss how to subtract two binary numbers. And here's an example. So we want to subtract the binary number 101101 from 011011. So let's give it two colors. As we start from the rightmost digit, let's give it this green color. And what I'm going to do is going to start from the rightmost end and bring our cursor underneath that 1 minus 1, we're going to get a 0. Right? 1 minus 1 is a 0. So let's go over to the next position to the left and let's give it a color. We'll give it this pink color, 0. We'll subtract from pink color 0 or 1. So 0 is a smaller number than 1, so you cannot subtract 0 minus 1 as it is. So let's borrow from the next digit over. Let's give it a color, and I'm going to give that a blue color. So if I were to take that 1, the blue color 1, and move over to the next item to the right, then I can write that in here as a 2, and we'll just put that in the same color, so that 1 that we had in this position, if we move to the right, it will be a 2. Just like if you're doing a decimal, if you move one item from 1 to the next, it will be a 10 because we're working to the base 10. When we work to the base 2 as in binary, it will be 2. So now let's subtract 2 plus 0 is 2 minus 1, you're going to get a 1. So that will be 1. Now you don't have that. We used to have 1 that was taken over, now it is a 0. So therefore, if you give this color now, that's the two blue colors, you're going to get 0. That 1 isn't there. This 1 here we moved over, it isn't there, it's a 0 now. So we're going to get 0 minus 0, which is 0. Now we move over to the next item. Let's give it a color. We were to give, let's say, the red color. Again, we have 1 minus 1, so it's not a problem. 1 minus 1 is a 0. The next one to the left, again we deal with another 0. Let's give it a yellow color, 0 and a 1. Can't subtract just like before. We're going to borrow from here. And the next item to the left, we'll give it this gray color. And then if we were to bring this gray color to the next position to the right, that'll be a 2. Move this one there, so that I will color code this one in that same color that we got with 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2 minus 1. Now we have 1 underneath that. So we've already taken that 1. We have 0. 0 minus 0 is this. So therefore the final answer subtracting, you get 1 0 0 1 0. So if you were to write it up, if you take 1 0 1 1 0 1, if you were to subtract it from 0 1 1 0 1 1, the answer is 1 0 0 1 0.